Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got Broda back in the building, still taking it to the max. Now, the name of this watch face is called Broda Bureau, and I'm telling you, my man got down on this watch face. In AOD mode, it's going to have a really nice look for the Gear 3. It's going to have the same theme, same look as if the watch face was on. Now, for the Gear 2, it's going to look slightly different, but it's also going to look awesome in AOD mode as well. Now, once the watch face is on, this watch face screams premium all day long. The analog hands look nice. I like the look and the theme of the index that's going around the bezel of the watch. Really brings it out with this black background. Broda really did his thing with this one. Now, if you look over to the right, you will see that you have a moon phase. Nothing showing right now. Going to get your traditional date, the day of the week, your date. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your heart rate information. You're also going to get floors climb. And look, steps. 24,000 steps, people. They worked me today. You're going to get your battery info. I do like to look at what's going on the inside of the watch. And all in all, Broda really did his thing with this watch face, right? But listen, if you tap right here, you can go into your heart rate information. If I could tap on it right, and it would bring that up. And also, you get 5 favorites that you could set with this watch face, right? I'm going to show you exactly where. You tap over here to the side where the 3 would be. That's 1. Tap right here on your date. That's 2. Tap right here on the battery info. That's 3. And let's go to 4 where the 9 would be. And then 5 is going to be at the top. Now, I like this because you can make this watch face super convenient any way you would like. Now, if I go ahead and I double tap in the middle, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, and there's so many different color themes and variations that you can set this to. It's not even funny. I'm just going to give you a little sample of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face, right? Now, if I double tap right here, you can rotate the bezel. I thought that was different, something unique for a watch face that I have not seen thus far. And we're going to leave it right there, but right here, I could change the theme of the index. So I could customize this to however I like for whatever it is that I may be wearing for the day. Now, if I tap right here, I can change the hour hand, and I could change the minute hand as well. Listen, Broda really did his thing, but check this out, right? If you need an additional hour hand, this is what you could do. Double tap down at the bottom, and there go your additional hour hand. I don't know what you would use this for. Maybe this is for if you're in a different country and it has a different time zone, and you can set this to that. So you'll have 2 time zones. Not bad, right? So if you don't want it or you're done with it, you're not traveling anymore, then just go ahead, take it all the way back around to where it started. And you're done. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.